Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to MFF Talks. As you can see, uh, as you know that Black Order events are going on. I will explain all the events thoroughly for you guys. At first, we have the usual Cosmic Core event. This is my favorite event as it gives a great amount of free stuff. Last time I got 2 CTPs. No. I think I got last time 210 CCF and 1 CTP of destruction last time. So I hope for energy. So this is the stuff. There is no rage or the new CTPs too. But the great reward will be energy for me. So it's a usual Cosmic Core event. Nothing special they have added. Now let me see where is that event. Yeah, Black Order special event. So at first it is that event stage. This is my favorite event because it gives 40 chests in which contains rage, judgment, regeneration, energy, as you can see up there. All CTPs which are there in game, and uniform tickets, mega rank up ticket, which is also great, and CCF. But I hope I do get CTP from here. Now second is gold special store, which we can buy with gold, and the chest also pretty good since we get phoenix feather, mechanical crystals and all, which is up this time. Now here is the energy spending event. Last reward is legendary mythic, which is okay. Now let me get to another. Wait, this is the vibranium gift chest, which is good if you remove the first two items, that is antimatter and chaos stones. Rest are great. It's a great and useful. Now let's go down. Here is the CTP reforging event, which is not for new players, it's just for whales, and that too it's 14%. And this is my favorite, 50% discount to remove CTP from any character, which will be 300 crystals I think. So if you have messed up, go and remove them. Now this is the character ranking event of Ebonimo. If you have built up, you will get some rewards. Now let's see if there is any more event which we got. What is this black or a dark chest? Wait. Okay, this is the paid paid boxes which they introduce. Nothing special for free to play players. Just let me get out of here. Now no, nothing special, so I'll just get in the game and show you things. So this is the Cosmic Core event. As usual, I got gold, so we can change reward for free every 24 hours. And the rewards, you can see that there's nothing special. This is the event mission stage, which you have to do the stage to collect tokens, and with that tokens you will get this special chest, Black Order Conquer chest. See, you can get every CTP here. That's really great addition to this boxes. I hope I do get CTP and you guys too. This is the energy spending event, which I already explained you what it is. This is the gold spending event. This is a great gold shop. You can get energy. Bios ones is really great because that stays up for 60 days. And the gold special chest, you should get this because it's easier to get comic cards. See, 4-star card. It's great. You should go for it if you have enough gold. So I got phoenix feather, which is very useful nowadays for crafting cards, to use it in the shade black. So I think that's it. This is the paid box which I told you. always. So that's it for guys today. Thank you for watching MFF Talks.